At Larry Hill Imports, we know you need a vehicle for your entire family. This white '06 Toyota 4Runner SR5 has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission and 44,932 miles. Enjoy an impressive 22 miles to the gallon on this family SUV with a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, running boards, multi-function steering wheel, power steering, power windows, power door locks, and more. Enjoy the drive in this '06 Toyota 4Runner SR5. See us at Larry Hill Imports today.
Remember, 30-second financing, third-party trade appraisals, call or email whatever's best for you to set your appointment today. And remember, Larry Hill Online will give you the comfort and trust you need in your internet buying experience.